is Robin and this is my channel. Okay, this is my first time ever doing this on my YouTube channel. I was asked to do a collab with Polished Beauty. Her name is Tavia and she does beauty, all sorts of beauty looks, her get readies with me, all sorts of beautiful looks. And I believe she's a traveling nurse, so she does crazy hours. And she asked me one day, she goes, you know, you do a lot of collabs, would you do one with me? And I'm like, sure, thinking maybe a Dollar Tree haul, a fashion box, do it yourself type of video. She wanted to do a makeup look. Now you all know me, I do not know how to put on makeup. So I said, yes, I would. And so we are doing a Kobe look of purple and gold. And I had won a giveaway from Jean Louise and she had put in this beautiful palette and it had purples and gold. Now, as most of you know, I will throw on some browns and maybe some mauves, but never a purple and gold look. So this is a real challenge for me. So I put on my base stuff and left my eyes and my lips. So there'll probably be a lot of editing in this video, so I won't torture you and make you watch all the stuff. So I've watched so many makeup channels, so I've got kind of the basics down. How they will look is something else. So I have got for, and just to show you how brave I am, I have a beginner eyelash kit. I don't know if it will work. I'm gonna do it, you know, not on the video, but I did challenge myself to one of these, and I am going to start with the MAC paint pot. I did buy this months ago and kind of used it on and off. So I'm gonna put some of that on. And I think you're supposed to put all this stuff to music. So, as I said, there's gonna be a lot of editing and I am not gonna really be talking through this because I can't walk and chew gum at the same time. Dropsy. Again, my first time doing it, so I do not know how to put the colors on. see this very well, but I'm using that one. To be trying to use where you do like a cut crease. Never in my life have I done this before. Are you still with me? And I am using a Jeffree Star, and it's in a gold, so we'll see how this looks. I know it's kind of hard to see, the lighting isn't the best in here. I'm using an e.l.f. primer. Okay, now the part that I have the toughest is like the under eye. So I am not sure what color. I am going to try and use, if you can see this color here, and see how that looks. This could be a disaster. That is purple. And then I'm gonna take this purpley shiny color. Okay, what do you think? Now, off camera, I know this is a quick look, but I don't know how to do all that fancy stuff. So I am going to attempt to put on my false eyelashes and then come back and put on my lipstick and have my hair done. So I will be right back. Okay, I am back. Just to let you know, trying to put the eyelashes on was a complete disaster. They were like crawling all over my face. I didn't know up or down. It was just a disaster. So I put some mascara on. So I am trying to get close enough to the camera so you can see that I have the purple and gold, and I have the purple underneath, and I found some purple lipstick, and the highlighter that I used was kind of a purple and gold. So I know this wasn't a true get ready with me in the sense that I did everything, but I tried to attempt a look. So let me know what you think. Please don't forget to check out Polished Beauty's channel. I will leave her link below. This was fun. It really took me out of my comfort zone. And so I enjoyed the challenge. So as always, you guys have an awesome day.